Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and today I want to show you another feel-good, fun way to roll. And what we're going to do is, we're going to do a segmental roll, lower body, and as we roll over, the roll just pulls our arm around here, and I'm going to press down into the floor here so that I can drag this arm under and post up like a curious baby, and I'm going to look all the way around. Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to undo it. So I'm going to thread the needle and come back. So I come back with an upper body roll, and that drags my leg back over. So this starts out as a lower body roll, and we just stay relaxed in the upper body until we actually start to come over and this arm comes over. And then I'm going to press this hand into the ground to lift my chest up, to pull this arm out, to post up like a baby would. You know, have you ever see a child on the floor just like, hey, this is the world, this is awesome. And I'm going to keep following that roll around, and then I'm going to come back with my head and my eyes, and I'm going to thread or undo the roll by threading this arm underneath. Then I'm going to take this elbow, reach back to the floor behind me, and it's going to pull my lower body back over. This just feels good. I think you'll enjoy it. So again, lower body. And as you come over, you press this arm into the ground to pick yourself up. Look all the way around as far as you can. Come back, undo it. And then to the other side. So now I'm just gonna do it so you can see. And why would you want to do this? Well, it's good for your vestibular system. It's good for your spine. It's good for your shoulders. And I just unthreaded, right? And you can start to just add a good flow to it. And it is a fun, great way to roll that does feel good. Anyway, give that a shot. Start on your back, start with your legs. See if you can pull your upper body up and unthread, and then come back with a thread, lead back with the upper body. I'm just sitting here trying to make you imagine all this stuff. Just replay what I just did and give it a shot. All right, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.